Right, the big idea with coterminal angles is it's different ways to get to the same place. Okay, so if we're sitting here at 3 pi over 4, and I want to invite you over to my point, so we could go either counterclockwise and go 3 pi over 4 and you join me. You could also come clockwise in the negative direction, and we can count that out: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pi over 4. Okay, now we could also go, let's say, if we're trying to get to this location right here, okay? So the other thing that I could do is, if I wanted to take a scenic route, I could go walk all the way around the circle, come back to where I started, and then go join you. So I could go 2 pi plus 3 pi over 4. I could go around multiple times. I could go around the circle once is 2 pi, twice is 4 pi, and then come join you. So there's different ways to get there. Okay, likewise, if I wanted to come on the negative route, I would go backwards, right? I could come all the way back, do a full rotation. Hey, I'll see you in a second. I'm going to check out the neighborhood, come all the way and join you, right? So we'd go back an entire around the circle and then come join you at 5 pi over 4. Or I could go around twice and then come join you at 5 pi over 4. Okay, so looking at these, they're saying find 2 positives and 2 negatives, okay? So we either go around, for the positives, we go around clockwise, so we go one full rotation at 2 pi. Since we're dealing with fourths, that 2 pi, I'm just gonna go ahead and write that in fourths. That would be 8 pi over 4. Okay, and then I come join you at 3 pi over 4, so that would be 11 pi over 4. Okay, or I could go around this circle once, 2 pi, a second time 4 pi. Okay, we're in fourths, so I'm going to write that in terms of fourths. Just get a common denominator. So 16 pi over 4 plus 3 pi over 4. That would be 19 pi over 4. So there's my 2 positives. Okay, and then this way, here, I'm going backwards around the circle an entire time. Get a common denominator. Let's see, get fourths, that was negative. So it'd be negative 8 pi over 4, getting my common denominator. Then I come join you, come back to negative 5 pi over 4. So I'm back at negative 13 pi over 4. Okay, or I could go around twice, right? That negative 4 pi. Get a common denominator. That would be negative 16 pi over 4 minus 5 pi over 4. So it would be negative 21 pi over 4. I think I did too many because this was that's one negative angle. There's a second negative angle. So this was actually more work than I needed to even do. Okay, we got 2 alternative ways to get there using positive angles. We got 2 alternative ways to get there with negative angles.